Welcome to this short video from the School of Business and Creative Industries Ethics Committee. In this short video, we're going to discuss where to find the Ethical Review Manager system, also known as ERM. And this is actually a really important video. It could be short and to the point, but this is sometimes one of the hardest things to do, is just find the link where you start this whole process going. So the link is right before you on the screen. Now this link is available on this website. It's also available on the UWS website. But there are some important things you want to do before you click on the link or before you go to the link. And that's to make sure that your browser is fully up to date. If you're using Chrome, if you're using Firefox, or indeed any browser, please do make sure that your browser is fully up to date, because this makes it less likely that ERM will crash on you. There's also another really important note, is that ERM does not support Windows Explorer, and it does not support older versions of Microsoft Edge. So you can't use Windows Explorer to make an application to the school ethics committee. Okay, you must use a different browser, Firefox, Chrome, or Edge. And if you are using Edge, then you need to make sure that it's absolutely the most up-to-date version of Edge, or again, you will struggle to access the system. So there are some little points for you to think about as you click the link, and it's just make sure you've got the most up-to-date browser that you have, and remember, you can't use Windows Explorer. It's not supported by ERM. Logging in also brings up something that can be a bit tricky sometimes, because you might not notice this. And there's two domains. There's the UWS staff domain and the UWS student domain. And if you're a staff member, you need to make sure the staff selected. And if you're a student, you need to make sure that the student selected, because if you've got the wrong domain selected, it will not recognize your username and password. The username and password you use to log in are your normal university email address and password. So if you're a student, it's your banner ID email address, and if it's a staff member, it's just your normal university email address. And that is all I wanted to say in this wee video. But hopefully it has helped you a little bit and made you aware of the issue that can evolve in relation to some browsers. Thanks for listening.